In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the totals for your templates. This is your total shifts per week, your total shifts per each station, that sort of a thing. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected. Right now I have after hours selected and I'm going to leave that. If you don't have one selected, click on one now. Halfway down your drop-down menu, you should see templates. Click on that. Once you arrive at your templates list, choose the template you would like to view information for. When you arrive at your settings page, go to your new top menu bar and click on shifts. You should arrive at your list view of your shifts for this template. To view your totals, go to the top of your chart and click on Totals. Now a chart showing your totals will come up. Your chart will automatically compare your station and your shifts. So you should see stations in the left-hand column and days of the week across the top. What this chart is showing you is how many shifts for each station you have each day of the week and total for the whole week. And across the bottom, it's showing your total shifts per each day. If you want, you can change this from viewing shifts to viewing hours or cost. Click on the arrow next to shifts at the top of your chart. And now I can change this to hours by clicking on hours. And now I'm seeing the total number of hours for each station for a week. I could go back up and click on that arrow again and choose cost. And now I'm seeing how much each of these shifts is going to cost each week. This is based on the rate you have entered into TeamWork 5 for each of these stations. The other way you can view this chart is instead of viewing it by station, you can view it by employee. Go up to the top of your chart and click the arrow next to station and choose employee instead. You will see a list of your employees on the left-hand side and the amount each of those employees is going to cost this week to work the shifts you have them scheduled for. You'll notice that the first row is not assigned to a specific employee. That names box is blank. These are all of your empty shifts in your template, the ones that are not automatically assigned to a specific person. Any shifts that are automatically assigned to a specific person will show up next to that person's name in the appropriate days column. And that's how you can view your total shifts, hours, and cost for each station and employee for each week of this template. To learn how to view the coverage of your templates, check out the next video.